Well, it's like 2:30 in the morning. I slept for a very little bit of time. Got up to look around. It's still raining pretty heavy. Bet the truck's probably full of water. Anyway, I was going to paint tonight, do some spray painting if it had quit raining, but obviously it's way too humid for the paint to work the way I want. Plant's got some cool weather. Those are my fig trees. That's my little cherimoya. There's a tomato plant that came up in a pot full of yellow dragon fruit babies. The taro is growing good. That's like the remains of my first batch of regular dragon fruit. Some of this stuff looks like crap because it's just been transplanted to just save the roots. Back in here, there's some sprouts coming up. That's my organic turmeric. And underneath here are all the baby barrel cactuses. Those trays are full of lots of them, hundreds and hundreds of South African barrel cactus. They have to go in every winter. Anyway, I wanted to see what it was doing out here tonight. I think I'll go heat up some leftover hibiscus tea and figure out something to do quietly.